Hello and welcome to a brand new video. Today we are delving into the world of Character.AI, which is basically just an AI chat conversation role-playing type of app. I just fired it up and it's asking me to pick my interests. Anime definitely. Let's see, what do I want? Emotional wellness. Yeah, that's what I want. Give me games and humor. And nah, just games. I don't care for humor. Can you see that I'm fun? All right, let's just pick those and move on. So basically what this app does is that it gives you a character that you build, like an avatar, and you can talk to it about everything. You can create your own bot with unique backstories and share them with others, which makes it incredibly addictive for roleplay and creative writing. It's also free to use. The mobile app is just as polished as the web version, and you can see over here that I'm showing you the mobile app. There's also a premium option called Character.AI Plus. Okay, so basically this is, it broke your heart getting all those texts and all those photos. And this is just a conversation chat app, and this is like the role play that they're giving you. You can also go to featured, your CEO boss, and you talk to him. Seems a little, shady. The AI can sometimes, though, drift out of character or repeat itself, especially in long chats. And while it's great for entertainment, it's not really built for factual information or professional use. It's for fun. Bottom line is, if you want a fun social AI experience that feels alive, Character.AI completely delivers. This is scenes. You can select a character and become a character in that scene. Whoa. All right, that's pretty cool. So yeah, it does deliver if you're having fun. But if you're looking for precision or productivity, it might not just be the right tool. Thank you for watching.